Hi, I'm Erin.
I'm Kendall.
Welcome back to our channel, Adventures in Kendall's Hearing. We wanted to talk to you today about
Earwax.
earwax. And even though it's kind of gross, everybody has it. And kids with hearing aids have a lot of it because the hearing aids push the wax down into the ear canal. And Kendall has had to have it removed a few times. And that means we have to use a light sedation and it costs a lot of money. But it's pretty painful to pull out when they're awake. There's also an irrigation method that a pediatrician or ENT or audiologist can use, but that's also kind of unpleasant. So we've come up with some ways that we treat it at home after, we've gone through the process of the minor outpatient procedures and things like that. So these are things that our new audiologist has recommended to us, as well as our ENT. And we are not medical professionals, so we're not giving any diagnosis or recommending you do this at home, but we're just letting you know what we do in case you want to try. So there are a couple of different options. Our ENT gave us prescription eye drops that actually work inside of the ear to soften the wax. And you can use these when a child has tubes in their ears, which Kendall usually also has. She said 3 sets.
I don't have tube anymore.
Not anymore. So you have to use these. So these are safe. They don't go through the eardrum. They don't hurt anything behind that eardrum. Another option, once the child, yes, we'll talk about that too, does not have an eardrum hole or perforation or myringotomy, and nothing is present as far as, I guess, a hole. So once the ears are totally closed up, you can use something called Earwax MD. And this is a one-time application. We do this once a month with Kendall, and it dissolves the earwax, kind of makes a bubbling sensation sound, and that seems to work. And then after we do that,
tweezers.
These are tweezers. Another thing I found on Amazon
tweezers
is this little doodad. Right, Kendall, we've used this, and it lights up.
No, we have to put the cap.
Oh, we do have to put the cap. We have the cap, and this is one that I use. These are just different ones.
Why is this tweezers?
Those are tweezers in case you want to pull something out, so I'll tell them, okay? So Kendall's let me do this a few times, right, Kendall? And did it hurt? No? It kind of tickles. So moms, dads, caregivers, if you are using this, it has a light and a little plastic spoon, and it comes in 2 different sizes. This is the small, there's a big, and there are tweezers that I have not used if you needed to pick wax out of the ear canal. And I have her lay down on one side, and I look, and I do not go deep, so I can actually see pretty far down into her ear, but I just get what's on the outside.
Why did it get tweezers out?
The tweezers help pull some earwax. Maybe there's something stuck.
I don't want that.
Yeah, we don't have to use that. So this is actually $6 on Amazon, and it's been life-changing, wouldn't you say? We just had an appointment with her audiologist, and she had no earwax for the first time pretty much in her life. So that was pretty great. Oh, get Tenny. And then one more thing I wanted to show you. Good job, Kendall. We're going to have another video on cleaning hearing aids, but this is called a wax loop.
Why is that one big?
It's together. And this is, again, I got these on Amazon. I kind of just figured everything out on my own. They're about $5 to $7 depending on what kind you get. There's a little metal loop at the end here and a brush, and you can clean the hearing aids out. This gets the wax out, so it doesn't, you're not just putting extra wax in the ear. And Kendall can demonstrate. And usually I do this. She likes to help me with this, but I just want to, it needs to be monitored because the little metal piece can come out, and we don't want it to be stuck inside of, yeah, see what, you got some wax?
Yeah.
Yep, okay, thank you. Let's just wipe this on a tissue. Thank you. Good job, Kendall. And then I just keep everything in Kendall's hearing aid case, and we just use an eyeglass case because it's cute and it has a unicorn.
I love unicorns.
Did you want to say anything else about earwax?
Yep.
You did, or you're good?
I wanted to say something else.
Okay, what did you want to say?
Tenny has hearing aids too.
Does she have?
And she has hearing on the inside.
Does she have earwax inside?
Yeah.
Do we have to clean her ears too? That's right. Okay, well, we will see you in our next video. You say take care and bye-bye. You say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.